Hey, what's up guys? Derek here. So today I'm going to be doing a reaction video with Gun vs. Gun, Nerf, and Strike Elite Strongarm unboxing and review. So let's get started.
Guys, I bought something today that is going to change the balance of power in this house. Our hardcore subscribers know that my brother Tommy has been using this gun to win many battles between me and him. Well, guess what? I bought one of my own.
Sorry if it's a little shaky.
Oh, hey man, what are you doing with my gun? Your gun? This is my gun. Oh, that's funny, because it looks exactly like my gun. You do realize they made millions of these? Yeah, right. You think Nerf designed and made only one of these just for you? Yeah. I can't tell if you're high or just mental. Give me my gun right now so I can shoot you with it. I don't have time for this, Tommy. I'm trying to do an unboxing. What's that? Sounds gay. Anyways, guys, Nerf Strongarm comes with 6 elite bullets. Who are you talking to? Just give me 5 minutes, man. Give me my gun, idiot. This isn't yours. It's in the box. And I'm trying to unbox. And where's mine? I don't know. Maybe one of your strippers stole it. Don't you talk that way about my strippers. They're good people. Obviously. All right, guys. Let's unbox this bad boy, shall we? Careful. You're going to scratch it. Tommy?
Careful, we're going to scratch it, he says.
Now, from the basic design, you guys can see that this is really an updated map. Give me my gun! You want your gun? Yeah. You really want your gun. That's what I said, idiot! You really can't wait to get this gun.
What a noob, he won't give him his gun.
Till I load this gun and I give it to you. You're gonna get your gun, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now that you are going to get your gun, my friend.
Oh, damn!
So that's where it was. Click what? For shooting noobs in the head. And subscribe
That's right.
Because that noob, he has a nasty habit of respawning. And I have a nasty habit of kicking his ass back to death. You don't want to miss it, baby. So click that subscribe button. Click it now.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that reaction video. So please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, so make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, make sure you turn on that bell. If you're new to this channel, please turn on the bell and be notified for every video I make. And add to your favorites. Please leave a comment. Please leave a comment saying if you like it or disliked it or whatever. So I hope you enjoyed this reaction video. And yeah, and I'll see you all in the next vlog. Peace out, guys.